Hi, this is Mike Adams, the Health Ranger here in Vilcabamba, Ecuador. We're actually on a piece of property that we own right here. It's undeveloped, so we have a lot of weeds growing here. But the cool thing about weeds in Ecuador is that many of those weeds are actually foods or medicines. For example, right here we discovered this plant just growing here like a weed. Now it's very spiky. It has these really interesting seed pods. And if you look closely down here, I don't know if I can, well look, right here we have a fruit. And these fruits are actually known as ubilla, which means kind of little grape in Spanish. In the Western world, you might call these gooseberries. And they're very high in phosphorus. They also help actually thin the blood, so they're a natural blood thinner. For all you folks out there who might be taking Coumadin or rat poison, which is actually what's used as a blood-thinning pharmaceutical, you can eat these instead. They're really delicious, and they're full of seeds too. Super sweet. So this is a great example of wild foods here in Ecuador. I mean, you can't get more wild than this. Weeds, no pesticides, no cultivation. We didn't plant these. Probably the birds planted them just by their droppings here. We didn't water this plant. We didn't do anything other than discover it and start eating it. That's how you get the strongest plants in the world. It's why wild harvested plants offer the best nutrition of all. Now, well, I'm actually drooling because these taste so good. I got to eat a few more. These are really super delicious. Let me show you what the pulp looks like. If you can see that. See all those seeds? Incredible nutrition in all those seeds. Wow. Now this plant is actually related to the tomato plant in terms of its botany. Check out this leaf. One thing you're going to notice right here is that this leaf is covered in small bugs. You might say, well, why? What's going on? It's because the leaves are naturally sticky. They're like a natural fly paper. And all these small gnats land on the plant and they get stuck and trapped there. So if you want to grow these plants around your house, they actually function as a natural fly paper in addition to giving you this amazing wild fruit. So what we're going to do here today, we're going to harvest all these fruits and take them back to another piece of land, and we're going to spread the seeds all over the place so that we have more ubillas growing in the next 6 months. Literally grows like weeds, but nourishes like medicine and functions as a natural fly paper. Can you get better than that? Thanks for watching. This is Mike Adams, the Health Ranger for naturalnews.com.